Hello everyone, this is Today Fashion. Today I would like to show the fastest way to cut a Bobtube dress with this type of design, and which our measurement is shoulder 14.5 inch, bust 42 inches, under bust 36 inches, waist 38 inches, hip 58 inches, the length is 33 inches. So the segment of the body is the breast, the bust part is 6.5 inch, then the waist is 10 inches, where the hip is 20 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make you first of all use the segment, which is 6.5. This is 6.5, so I'm going to make it 7 because of the joining here. Then our waist here falls on 10, so and I'm going to make the waist part to be, so I'm going to make the waistband to be 3 inches. So I'm going to place it on the 3 here. So this is going to be the joining, and this is going to be the joining here. So I'm going to draw a straight line here, here, then I'm going to divide this part into 2, which is then I'm going to now use the body, which is 42. I'm going to divide it into 4, which gives me 10.5. Then this 10.5 I'll divide it into 2 as well. Then my under bust, which is 36, then divided by 4, which gives us 9 inches. Then I'm going to divide it into 2 as well. Then my waist, which is this part, which is 38 inches, is going to be 9.5 inch. Then I'll just only need to add 1.5 inch to it. Then here, this middle here, I'm going to make a straight line, which is 5.5 inch here. Five 1/4 inches. Then I'm going to make a straight line up to here. So what we are having this side here, I'm going to put it on this side. So this is where I'm going to make a curve here for my, so then another thing I do is that I normally add 1/4 inch on this side here. So this 1/4 inch will come like this as well. So here, what I'm going to sew this part, 1/2 inches, I'm going to sew this part, I'll add it to this end. Then what I'm going to sew, the 1/2 inches, I'm going to sew this side, I'm going to add it to this side. Then what I'm cutting out here, which is 2.5, I'm going to put it here. Then I'm going to add 1.5 inch for my side allowance to it. So this is going to be my measurement. Then because it's going to be this way, I have to extend this. I have to take it this way. So then on this part here, that is where I'm going to make my back. So the zipper part will be this part. Then I can now trim it. Also, I have to make this part here with the cleavage. So it depends on how I want my cleavage to be revealed. Then I'm going to make it this way. Then I can cut it. then here, then I'm going to use this part first before this part. So I'm going to use it to cut. Then I have to take out this portion here. Then I have to indicate that here is going to be my zipper allowance so that I won't mix it up. And this is my back. Then also these 1/4 inches which we add here, I have to take it out here. Then I'll now come back to the front part here. Then I'll now take out that my 1/4 inches out. Also on this side too. Then I'll now trim this part. So with this, I'll be able to sew this dress perfectly, and stay tuned to see the outcome of this dress. Thank you.